ಈ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Hi friends, here there are some easy tips for mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers can be extremely painful and hinder for your ability to eat as well as speak. These are very fast relief remedies. Let's see what they are to treat a mouth ulcers. First is honey. Apply some honey on the ulcer and let it stay for 10 to 20 minutes. Repeat it every few hours. Honey is antimicrobial in nature and also possesses wound heavily properties. It is quick and natural process for mouth ulcer. It reduces irritation and as well as swelling. Second is cooking oil. Apply a little bit of cooking oil to the ulcer place. Leave it for until it become dry. Repeat this few times in a day or before going to bed. It will reduce pain in one day by applying few many times in a day. Third is alum. Crush the alum crystals to get a fine powder and apply it on the ulcer powder with cotton and hold it for few minutes and then slowly remove the cotton. Then the pain will reduce in a minute. Repeat it twice in a day. It is a very natural step for mouth ulcers. Fourth is salt water. Take 1 spoon of salt and a glass of water and mix it well and rinse your mouth with salt water. Do it for 2 to 3 minutes in a day. This is a antiseptic properties and can help to heal the ulcer faster. Fifth is coconut milk. Gargle with coconut milk for a few minutes and then rinse your mouth with clean water. Do this 3 to 4 times in a day. Fresh coconut milk is wonderful home remedy for mouth ulcers. The pain will subside quickly, allowing you to eat normally. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.